How to see accepted friend request on Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to discuss about how to view the accepted friend request on Facebook. If you have sent out numerous friend requests and are curious about who has accepted them, I'll demonstrate how to locate this information. So let's begin by opening Facebook and clicking on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. From there, you have to select the friends option by going to your profile, and then by tapping on this, you will be able to view all of your current friends. And to organize this list, simply click on the sort button and choose the newest friend list if it's available. This will display your most recent friends at the top, and you can also go ahead and click on your friend request button, indicating who has sent you friend request. And from there, now simply go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and from there, click on view sent request. And like that, you can access a list of individuals who have not yet accepted your friend request. From here, you have the option to cancel the request or wait for further confirmation. So I hope this explanation was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.